This project was born out of a pain point I had been experiencing for a long time. Doing dangerous, dusty and noisy jobs and the absolute nightmare of putting on all this gear. Everything from scratched up, fogged up glasses, concrete dust all over your face, never-ending straps, pinch points, and trying to breathe through this thing all day. Nightmare. I decided to design a solution that would look and function the way I liked. It needed to be comfortable, good-looking, powerful, practical, lightweight, self-contained, so it has no hoses, blower units, or neck shrouds. It needs to be durable and also modular and easy to repair. And it needs to fit a wide range of different head sizes and head shapes. I spent a lot of time making sure it has top-tier performance in terms of airflow, no proprietary filters, and no proprietary batteries. I needed to be sure that my design was as safe, reliable, and as practical as possible. So after 2 years of designing, testing in various different circumstances, and refining the design, I've arrived at the ultimate all-in-one PPE device. The Atom 5 is a battery-powered positive pressure respirator, so it floods the facial enclosure with filtered air. It can filter fumes and fine particulate, depending on what cartridge you use. It features removable earmuffs and easily replaceable visors. Thanks very much for supporting this project by watching the video.